My favorite skincare set is the Time Wise Repair Voluform set.
The Miracle set has changed my face. It has protected my face from the sun. I no longer get the massive amounts of freckles during the summer.
One of my favorite Mary Kay skincare sets would have to be the Clear Proof set.
I love Mary Kay Botanical Effects because it makes me feel so confident and beautiful.
Definitely not just a pausing in anti-aging. I think the reversal of anti-aging is what I'm in love with because, you know, I think I sing to the high hills. Who in the world wants to sign up for the wrinkle ministry? And this product all day long keeps me far from it. You know, nobody ever knows my age. No one knows that I have 5 kids. Most times they're completely shocked when I say that.
I feel so effortlessly beautiful. I mean, what woman does not like receiving compliments? And every day when I go out with no makeup on, I am complimented how my face is glowing or how beautiful I am. And who doesn't want to hear that?
For a long time, it was very hard for me to find a really good skincare routine that would help target my problem areas and help to clear up my skin so I can walk around confidently without wearing makeup. I noticed my blemishes were going away and I glowed, something that I haven't done in a very long time.
Mary Kay has allowed me to be who I really am, to love the skin that I was born with. Because Mary Kay has taught me how to take care of the best version of me that I was not able to see before I started using Mary Kay.
Mary Kay has given me the confidence to love my skin and to be able to share that confidence with others.